I'd been attending USDB growing up. I moved here to USDB from Ecuador. I attended JMS when I was 5 years old, and then eventually transferred here to KBS as a senior. I enjoy playing basketball, going to the library, and activities in the cottages. In the cottages, we've been able to go to a jazz game, a haunted house, make really yummy dinners, and go fishing. I do have 2 cochlear implants. My mom wanted me to use them in public school. I really struggled using my cochlear implants, and I refused to wear them. Now, I am happy to be here at USDB because I can communicate in American Sign Language. I feel happy and satisfied because I've been able to be successful and achieve graduation. I'm planning on finding a job. I'd like to work with animals and become a vet. I'd like to do that in the future. My advice is to always work hard in school and to enjoy the time that you have. Don't be in a rush to graduate.